Hi, my name is ANUSHA Rani. I have completed my B.TECH from Pragati Engineering College in the year 2024. Coming to Qspiders, I have joined Qspiders in the month March. Coming to Qspiders have helped me a lot in improving my communication skills by doing presentation classes and mocks, where the mocks have helped me to know how much subject I have. Coming to internship has given me a lot of knowledge, like practical knowledge on manual testing and firefling. We have done a lot of projects there, which helped me telling in interviews. HRs were a main pillar in this Qspiders, where they have guided us to the requirement and helped us in this requirements. Coming to faculty are very friendly and they help us and motivate us a lot to achieve our goal. They will give a friendly environment so that we don't have any fear to ask any doubts, and they help us in every way to reach our goal. That's it.